not my life. This is not my life. This is not my life. Okay, hold on. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, this is really loud. Wow, I was like uncomfortably loud. Back to the video. Okay, so sorry. Woo! Got a little tangent-y. I did have Nespresso before this, but in my defense, it's morning and it's coffee time. So, welcome back to my channel. Oh shoot. Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, Drew. And today's video that I have for you, we got it back. We're fine. It is day 6 of October 2018 box week. I'm so sorry. This is your first time joining me. I'm also sorry to let you know that this is it. This is it all the time. So, the box week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. So 1 week every month, me and my YouTube subscribers, I swear, we do this, I promise, it's not just me making it up. Spend 7 consecutive days together, so there will be a brand new video every day for 7 days. You're catching us on day 6. And today we're doing, if you're in the Just Like Drew family, this is like the Just Like Drew family's like favorite, because this is our day that we like practice our self-love together as a squad, a Just Like Drew fam. And what we're going to be doing today is our face mask and chill unboxing. So what I usually say is pause this video, go grab a face mask, throw one on, and mask with me as I mask with you. So let's mask together and do this unboxing. And we're going to be opening Facetory. Alright, so I'll tell you about this box in just a second. The mask I'm going to be doing today is actually my holy grail face mask. This is my absolutely favorite face mask of all, like, sheet mask I've ever done. It is the J-Jun Anti-Dust Whitening Mask. And today I decided that for fun, I don't know, whatever, I'm going to actually be putting the exact same mask into the giveaway box. So whoever wins this giveaway box is going to be getting my holy grail face mask. If you're wondering what this is, this box full of magic is our stockpile giveaway. We started filling it up last month and this month, and at the end of this month's box week, so probably a few days after box week is actually finished, I will post a video explaining how you can win that box. So one thing I will tell you, you will need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna like fix this robe. It's like bothering me. My little kimono thing is just like all over the place. I'm gonna tie it shut. So you will be able to win that box. So that's all you need to know. All right, so this mask specifically that I'm gonna be putting on J-Jun, the reason I love it, it is a 3-step mask. Honestly, this is my favorite mask to do if I'm like got a big event, something. I'm actually going to be taking off this weekend. I'm flying out, so this is a good mask to kind of keep my skin like intact before I get on an airplane and travel. It's a 3-step mask, so there's a face mask. After you do the mask, there is anti-dust, luster, and pooey that you put on your face after you do the mask. And then there is this under eye corrector. Let me tell you, the under eye cream is dreams. I wish honestly that this brand made this eye cream to sell, because this is just like phenomenal. So I'm gonna put on my face mask. Hope you're putting on your mask or already masked up. And then after we got this on, I will explain about the box. How am I not opening this? This has never happened before. You guys, only me. Like, I'm like, this mask's amazing. I opened it and it didn't open. This, I cannot, oh, this is not my life. This is not my life. This is not my life. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna pause the video because I'm gonna actually have to get a scissors and cut this open. I can't handle myself. I'm upset with me. I'll be back. Okay, so that was very dramatic. I'm gonna now put on the mask. Only me. I think I may have done this mask before actually for an unboxing. I don't know if I have or not. I feel like I've told you guys about it. Maybe that's in my dreams. Maybe I've told Instagram stories about it. All I know is this is my favorite mask, and I'm doing it, and I was like, you know what? I'm putting it in the giveaway box so that whoever wins can get my absolutely favorite mask, and then you can write me and tell me how amazing it is. All right, so I'm putting it on. It's all white. I'm trying to be creepy. Oh, this is gonna be a fun one. Look at me, look at my face. This is gonna be so fun now when I unbox here. All right, rubbing all the excess fun into my neck and into my hands. Yeah, that's something you always should do when you open a face mask. Take all the extra goodness that is inside there, like all the extra serum, and rub it into your arms and your hands. It's like amazing just what that can actually do for you. Okay, so I'm putting all that to the side, rubbing all this in. There's like so much here, so much going on. Okay, this video is like really intense, especially now with the mask. It's really just kind of taking up the creep level to a new level, and I'm kind of feeling it. So this is Facetory. Trying to get back to the actual unboxing that we're doing today now that I've gone off on like 32 tangents. So Facetory is a monthly subscription box. Is a Korean beauty subscription box, and basically it is a face mask subscription, and it is one of my favorite subscriptions because I am a face mask junkie. One of the reasons that I recommend and love it is because if you're ever like, I want to try sheet mask but I don't know where to begin, this is a great place to begin because they kind of take the guesswork out of it for you. Not only do they send you face masks every single month that could actually last you monthly if you don't do a lot of sheet masks, but they also send you really high quality. So not only do they send you good quality masks, they send you new things to try, as well as they take the guesswork out, and they usually every month send you like a really nice package where they'd be like, this is good for soothing, this is good for hydrating, and it kind of covers all of like the different like needs you might come up against every month when you are actually like looking for a face mask to do. And also I feel like they always do a really well themed box. So there's a couple different options with this. There is the 4-pack, which comes out to be about $10 per month with shipping and handling, and they give you 4 basic sheet masks. Now I personally get the 7 Luxe, partly because I'm extra and also because of the fact that they send such good quality with the 7 Luxe. So for instance, the mask that I'm doing right now, which is a 3-step, they'll send you a mask like that usually every month, as well as like some other high quality. You might even get like hydrogels and things like that in there. So it is a really phenomenal deal. So this says Facetory with Asia Dang, it looks like. So it looks like this one might be a collaboration box. All right, so opening it up on the top, yes, okay, so this is, they did a mix with Asia Dang right here. This girl, she helped curate this box this month. They have some really cute yellow tissue paper on the top there. It says Glow Up Sis on the cover. All right, so opening it up, on every single box they have a little card inside that tells you about every single mask in your box, because first of all, most of these masks are actually written in Korean, but the other nice thing is it also explains to you what this mask is going to do for you. So like I said, if you're sitting there like, you know what, I feel like my skin is like having some issues today, like it's kind of red and I don't really know what to do with it, they're gonna have explanations say like, hey, if you need a soothing mask, do this one. So it kind of helps you out with that. So the first mask that we have here on the top is a 2-step Facetory Glow Baby Glow mask, and it looks like it has soothing and pooey and a brightening and soothing mask in here. So Facetory, I know, recently actually started making their own face masks, so they've been putting those inside of the boxes as well as having like the other masks that they usually curate for the box. So that is the first mask here, and it looks like this mask is a really good 2-step. You put on the pooey first, and that has a flower extract in. I can't pronounce it, so I'm not going to try. And then they have the brightening and soothing mask, and you leave that on 15 to 20 minutes. And that is really good for helping your skin like soak in the nutrients, and it improves the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, and strengthens the surface of your skin. So that is what this first mask does here, which sounds amazing to me because I get uneven skin tone a lot because of like going to the gym and different weather conditions here in Wisconsin. Next we have a Kiyomi White Mulberry Hydration Mask, which is right there. I actually kind of like just the plain whiteness of this mask. I feel like it's just kind of nice and clean appearance. All right. So this one says, one word, mulberries. This berry is packed with vitamin A and E to soothe and treat tired skin. Oh my gosh, this is for like tired looking skin. Again, something I need. I get up early for the gym. I'm exhausted. So I seriously am so happy with this box so far because I feel like it is perfect, especially with the weather transitioning. Like your skin, especially if you live in Wisconsin, will get so tired and stressed when the weather changes to cold. So this is amazing for me. The next thing that we have, ooh, seaweed silky mask. Ooh, that looks like really cool. Look at the packaging. You guys, have you just been feeling the packaging of all these masks this month? I am. All right, so this is the newest mask available by the brand 23 years old. You're welcome, and will likely become a mask favorite. Don't be alarmed, as completely covers your lips. Oh, okay, that's wild. We just want to make sure that every inch of you is well hydrated. So this is a good hydrating mask, and apparently it also covers your lips. A little creeped out and excited to embrace the creep factor. You know what I'm saying? So there. All right, next thing that we have is a milk balm mask, banana milk balm. Okay, so I actually think that I've seen these before. My kids, I think, have actually done these ones before. They love the milk mask. Like there's different ones, like there's like chocolate milk, usually there's like coffee milk, and my kids like actually love getting those when they mask with me. They're a nice soothing mask, as well as, like, as you can tell, they're really good for kids skin as well, just to kind of give a little extra boost, and something fun they can do with mom. So it says, if you love bananas, this mask is right for you. It smells exactly like my morning smoothie and it's so creamy, and you'll want to lather the essence all over your body. So I'm a little upset, only because honestly I hate bananas. I think they are the most thing to eat, so I'm gonna struggle putting that on. Maybe I'll see if Helicopter Mom, because she actually gets this box too, will switch with me and take my banana mask, and I can take one of hers. She might not like the one that covers your mouth, so I'm already scheming here to see if there's a way to get out of the banana mask. And then we have another two-step mask here. This is from Dr. Glow Derm Whitening Mask. Ooh, the packaging, again, I'm just like loving all the packaging that they have going on this month. So it looks like this gem comes from with an oil capsule. Instead of applying the oil capsule after the sheet mask, pat on a thin layer of oil before using the mask. The mask essence will help absorb the oil into your skin. So this is one where I guess they usually tell you probably to put on the oil capsule after, but she's actually saying to put it on a little bit first and then put on the mask after that. So that's really cool. All right, next thing we have is Mediskin Intense Moisture and Calming Mask Pack. I actually, you know what, it is funny, I'm pretty sure that Mediskin, I was looking at trying one of their masks recently, and then I didn't, so it's funny that they gave us this mask. This is a thicker sheet mask. This one is your new go-to. It's great for sensitive skin. It helps strengthen the skin barrier. That's the other thing. A lot of their masks are really good for like all skin types, especially sensitive skin, because I know it's usually a concern. People are like, well, what if I have sensitive skin? You can try their mask and not be concerned that it's not going to work for you. And then finally, the last one we have is a two-step jelly mask from Meg. And this one, they have like a peeling swab and then a mask you put on. Now, this one I know that we have gotten before in one of the boxes, but to be fair, this box was curated by a blogger, I believe, so that's probably why they did a repeat, because usually you don't get like mask do-overs very much. Very rarely have I seen a mask twice in these boxes, usually only when there's some kind of collaboration that they do. So to recap this box, we got the Facetory Glow Baby Glow Mask, which is the actual Facetory brand mask. It's a two-step mask. We got the Kiyomi White Mulberry Hydrating Mask. We got the Seaweed Silky Mask, which I'm really excited to try. Supposedly this one's going to be like phenomenal for your skin, for hydration, as well as it covers your entire mouth, which is just kind of bizarre but also exciting. We got the Banana Milk Balm Mask, which I'm a little like nervous about because I don't like milk. Or I like milk, I don't like bananas. Wow, and I'm adding stuff. I'm like, I don't like milk. I like milk, I just don't like bananas. And then we got the Dr. Glow Derm two-step whitening mask right there. The Mediskin Intense Moisture and Calming Mask right there. And the two-step jelly mask by Meg, which they have like the swab that helps exfoliate your skin, and then the mask here, which I know I've actually done one before and I did like it. So that's all the masks that I got in this box. I actually have a little more time for my sheet mask, so I'm just gonna go chill off camera. I'll actually technically be back in like a second for you guys, but I will come back, take the mask off, reveal my skin, and then close out this video. So I'll see you in like a second. For me, it's gonna be like 10 minutes. Okay, cool. Alright guys, welcome back. Although technically I never left. This is my face after this mask, you guys. Look at just like, first of all, my skin always, I literally just feel like my skin's just like, after I take it off. Alright, I'm gonna put on the ampui that you're supposed to put on after. Hopefully this opens easier than think, why am I so close to camera? I'm like sitting up like, okay, I'm gonna put on the stuff. Such a creep right now. Okay, rubbing this in on my skin. So the thing is, what I like about this Luster Ampui is that it's got kind of like almost like a little bit of a gel texture to it, and so it takes your skin from already like the hydrated amazing feeling that it has, and then it seriously just like boosts it up. Like I don't even know how to just tell you how much I seriously love and adore this face mask. Okay, so you can seriously see my skin now. Look at this. My skin when I started this video was tired. Like I was tired, and my skin now is like, girl, you look like you just had a vacation. And I'm like, I know. Okay, so, and now I'm gonna put on the under eye cream corrector. Again, like I seriously like live for this stuff. It is just like so bomb. It seriously like, oh my God. I put it on my eyelids too. I don't even care. Cause I like putting it on my brow bone. I don't actually know if it does anything, but to me, I always feel like when I put on my eye cream, I put it on my brow bone as well to kind of just keep that area looking fresh. Okay, this is my face. Look at me. Look at like how bright my skin looks right now. Like I'm I'm shook in a good way. All right, so to quickly just remind you, this is the giveaway box right here. It is seriously like packed full of so much good stuff. I'm like, there's a full-size eyeshadow palette. There's multiple face masks. There's just so much happiness in that box. I'm just like excited to see who wins that. So really quick before I end this video, I want to let you know, so I'm flying out on a trip today. So I'm gonna be filming a second video today as well to get uploaded for tomorrow, but I have not received the Allure beauty box or the Sephora play box. So because, you know, we always spend 7 days together, I'm gonna be filming just a different video to post up for tomorrow. It's not going to be an unboxing video because I have not received the other boxes and I'm like flying away, but when I get those 2 boxes in, I will film those and put them up next week. But like I said, there will be another video tomorrow just because it'll be like our 7th day, like hangout day, but just let you know, it will not be an official unboxing because I'm still waiting on Sephora and Allure to arrive, and when those do arrive, I will film those and upload those videos, and they will be a part of like the October unboxing, as well as the fact that then I will post a video about how to win the giveaway box. So I just want to let you know that tomorrow's video is not going to be an unboxing video. I haven't received the boxes, so I can't really film an unboxing video of boxes I don't have yet. I will try. I could pretend I could mimic an unboxing, but I can't. I don't have one. So we'll be filming another video for tomorrow. I'm flying out. I'm gonna be gone for the weekend, but then when I come back, hopefully the boxes will be here and I will be able to post those and finish out October's unboxings. All right. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I'll see you tomorrow for a 7th day video of whatever I figure out that's going to be in the next like hour. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Goodbye. So there's that. All right, next item we have is Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, body and face for all skin types. All right, I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box too. This is a nice lotion you can use for your face and